Welcome to Unlock English Podcast. We speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word.
Welcome to Unlock English Podcast, a place where we make learning English easy and fun. Hey, Maria, I'm so glad you're here. I need your help. Yesterday, someone asked me what I did, and I just didn't know how to answer.
Really? You didn't know what to say?
Yeah, I just said nothing much, but I actually did so much. I realized I really need to learn how to talk about my day.
Oh, that is a fantastic point. Talking about your day is one of the most useful things you can do. It's the core of daily conversation.
Exactly. I think we should practice this every day.
Great idea. So I'll tell you exactly what I did yesterday, from morning till night. You can just listen, ask questions, and repeat after me. We'll speak slowly so you can understand every single word.
Sounds perfect. But first,
Yes, before we begin, if you love learning real, everyday English with us, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss a lesson.
okay, ready when you are.
Let's start with my morning. My morning started early. I woke up at 7 a.m.
7. That's so early.
Yes, the sunlight was coming through my window. It was so beautiful and it made me feel really happy.
Wow, you woke up feeling happy? Lucky you. So, what did you do first?
First, I just sat up. Then I did some stretches. You know, like when you reach your arms up really high?
Oh, like you're pulling your body long.
Exactly. I stretch to wake my body up. It feels great.
Ah, I understand now. You stretched when you woke up. That's a good tip.
It really helps me feel ready for the day. Did you feel tired this morning?
No, I slept well, so I felt pretty fresh.
That's nice. Sometimes I feel sleepy in the morning.
Then I should try stretching?
It can give you more energy. You should totally try it. After getting up, I went to the bathroom. I washed my face with cold water and brushed my teeth.
Okay. Washed my face and brushed my teeth. Easy to remember.
Yes, and I always use cold water. It helps me wake up.
Cold water? Isn't that too cold in the morning?
Maybe, but I like it. It makes me feel instantly fresh.
Okay. What did you do after that?
I went back to my room and got dressed. I put on a blue t-shirt and some jeans.
Got dressed. Means put on your clothes, right?
Yes, that's right. It just means putting on clothes for the day.
Did you wear your favorite t-shirt?
Yes, it's super soft and comfortable. The next stop was the kitchen. I was starving, so I made breakfast.
What did you eat?
I had a bowl of oatmeal. I love it because it's warm and healthy.
Oatmeal. Did it taste good?
It was delicious. I added some berries and a little honey to it. It was the perfect meal.
So, after getting dressed, you had oatmeal for breakfast.
Exactly. That meal gave me all the energy I needed. After breakfast, I walked to class. It's only about a 10-minute walk.
That's great.
I love walking in the morning. I get to feel the fresh air and see the city wake up. On my way, I bumped into my friend, David.
Oh, you saw David.
We talked for a minute. He asked me if I'd finished my group project.
And did you?
Yes, I'd finished it the night before, so I just said, yes, it's done.
So you walked to class and chatted with a friend on the way?
Yep. Then I went into the classroom, ready to learn. Our teacher gave us a short article to read about how music affects our mood.
That sounds really interesting. What did you do with the article?
First, we read it. Then, the teacher asked us to discuss it with our partners.
Discuss means you just talked about it, right?
That's right. We just shared our ideas. I told my partner that listening to music always helps me focus.
So, in class, you read an article and then you discussed it.
Absolutely. It's a great way to practice speaking. After class, it was time for lunch. I was so hungry, so I went to the campus food court.
What did you eat?
I wanted a salad, but they gave me a bowl of ramen noodles by mistake.
Oh, no. Did you tell them?
I did, but then I just smiled and said, "It's okay. I'll take this instead." The ramen looked delicious anyway.
So, you just took it. You didn't ask them to change it.
Nope. And you know what? It was surprisingly good. It was hot and spicy.
So, for lunch, you had ramen noodles instead of a salad.
It was a good story to tell my friends. After lunch, I stayed in the food court for a bit longer, just chatting with my friends.
What did you guys talk about?
We talked about our weekend plans. David wants to go hiking, and my other friend, Anna, wants to see a new movie.
What about you? Are you going to go with them?
I haven't decided yet. Maybe I'll go hiking with David.
Amused. That sounds fun.
We also laughed a lot because Anna told us a funny story about her dog.
I love funny animal stories.
Yep, it was a good way to relax before I had to get back to work. In the afternoon, I went to the library. I had a group project for my science class about space exploration.
That sounds so cool. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, I spent a couple of hours looking for books and articles. It was very quiet, so I could really focus.
Did you work alone?
At first, yes. Later, my two group members joined me and we worked together for a bit.
So, yesterday afternoon, you went to the library and worked on a presentation about space.
Satisfied. Exactly. And after that, I went to my part-time job. After the library, I went to my job at the campus coffee shop.
What do you do there?
I make coffee and take orders. It was a really busy day yesterday.
Did you have to work alone?
No, luckily I worked with a friend. I took the orders and she made the drinks. It was a great team.
That sounds like a great team.
We even made a special coffee for a customer. We added some extra foam and a little cinnamon heart on top.
That's so nice.
It was a small thing, but it made her smile. After work, I went to the gym. I was tired, but I knew it would make me feel better. I did some cardio on the elliptical machine for about 30 minutes.
The elliptical machine? That's like a running machine, but easier on your knees, right?
That's right. After that, I lifted some light weights to strengthen my arms.
Did you meet anyone there?
Yes, I ran into an old friend. We talked for a minute before my workout. After the gym, I was pretty tired, but also very hungry. So I decided to make dinner with my roommate.
That must be nice. What did you make?
We made grilled cheese sandwiches and a small side salad. It was quick and easy.
Did it taste good?
It was amazing. We talked and laughed while we were cooking. After dinner, I watched a movie in my room. It was an adventure movie. It was really exciting.
Did you watch it alone?
Yes, my roommate had to study, so I had the TV all to myself. The movie was about 2.5 hours long.
That sounds like a perfect way to relax.
It was. After it was over, I went to bed around 11:30 p.m.
So you went to bed at 11:30 p.m. after watching a movie. That was a full day. Wow, Maria, you really did a lot yesterday.
It was a busy day, but a good one. Now, let's review so you can practice.
Okay, let's see. First, you woke up at 7, then you stretched, went to the bathroom, and got dressed.
Right. Then I had oatmeal for breakfast and walked to class.
Yes, and in class you read an article and discussed it. For lunch, you had ramen instead of a salad.
Exactly. Then I stayed to chat with friends before going to the library.
In the afternoon, you studied for a science project. Then you worked at the coffee shop.
And after work, I went to the gym, made dinner, and watched an adventure movie.
So now I know exactly how to answer the question, what did you do yesterday? Thank you, Maria.
It was my pleasure. And now for everyone watching, try to tell us what you did yesterday in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. We speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. See you next time.